Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus in your brain. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about focus application. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe. See you next time.